Meet Aitana. She's an Instagram model from Barcelona.
And my job is making real girls insecure.
She works out, posts in aesthetically pleasing lighting, wears bikinis all year round, and of course, she has exclusive content behind a paywall that brings in $11,000 per month. And when I say she's out of this world, I mean it literally. She's not real. She's fully AI generated. She's now making 6 figures a year, landing brand deals, press coverage, multiple income streams, and a fan base of confused, mildly dehydrated men. And she's not the only one. There are many other AI influencers who are raking in a ton of cash using Fanvue. In this video, I'll show you how to create your own Instagram baddie and how to milk your AI girl for profit. Now, let's get down to business. Let's be honest. Part of Aitana's success comes from the fact that she doesn't wear much. It grabs attention, and she knows it. And if you want to sell content, you'll need to be able to generate those unholy pictures too. Regular AI image generators like Midjourney do a good job at creating high-quality images, but they're very heavily censored. And free options like installing Stable Diffusion locally can work, but the thing is, it's not beginner-friendly. There's a steep learning curve and you need a lot of RAM to be able to even run the thing. To make my life easier, I'll be using a tool called Picasso AI to create our AI Instagram model. Here's the dashboard. Go to AI Characters, then click Create AI Character. Enter your AI influencer name here. Mine's Savannah. Upload an AI portrait. This portrait will be the face of your AI influencer. You can generate your AI influencer portrait in any AI image generator, free or paid. Crop the face, and hit preview to see if it looks good. Looks fine to me, so let's save it. Now here's the most important part, the pictures you use to train your AI character. So you want to upload about 20 to 40 pictures of someone whose body you want your AI model to resemble. Pick the pictures of the same girl or multiple girls with the same body type, same hair color as your AI model, and don't forget to face swap the original pictures with your AI girl's face. You'll have to feed it some face swap spicy content for training too. And if you're wondering where you can find the muses for your AI Instagram model, well, Pinterest is great for discovering Instagram baddies, and X is the place to look for explicit pictures or videos. I have 35 pictures ready, so now I'll just upload these to train our AI model. Once all the pictures are uploaded, agree to the terms and click Next. It'll ask you how many steps you want to train the AI model for. The minimum is 2,000 steps, which gives you one version of the trained model. More steps takes longer and cost more, but you'll have more versions to choose from. I'll pick 3,000 steps because I'm stingy with my credits but still want to see some options. It'll take a few minutes to train your girl. So while we're waiting on that, let's go to ChatGPT to get some image prompt ideas. Here's the prompt I'm using. You can find it in the description down below. You can keep the prompt simple like this, or ask it to add more detail if you want. Okay, so once the model has completed the training, finally, we can get to the fun part. Here are the 3 training versions side by side. You can see that the ones with more training came out more detailed. This will reflect in the images we'll be generating later. Now let's go to AI Image Generator. The interface here is super easy to navigate, so you don't have to think too much. You use Flux for PG content and SDXL is for unholy content. Let's select the model we just created. There's a drop-down menu to choose which training version you want to generate your images with. I'll choose 2000 for now. As for the LoRa, just stick with amateur photography for realism. Instagram's aspect ratio is 4:5, so let's pick that. You can select the number of images. Each generation costs 0.5 gem. I'll pick 4. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt. Paste it here and hit generate. These actually look really nice. The lighting here looks a bit artificial, but the other 3 get a pass. I want to see what 3,000 steps training generates with the same prompt. Look at that. These images look a lot better composition-wise, and the poses look better too. Let's try another prompt. We're going for the nightlife vibes, baby. Ooh, I really like these. Someone call the fire department because she's smoking hot. I mean the figure, the mood, the poses. This is peak street photography, honestly. This image is really high quality already, but let's see what happens when we upscale it. You can adjust the sharpness for the upscaled image. I'll keep it at 0.3 because it's already pretty crisp. I'll upscale both the face and body. Click on Startup Scale. If you're still with me, make sure to like and subscribe to not miss any new upload. Don't worry, it's free to subscribe to me. And here's the result. Realer and hotter than Aitana, in my opinion. Let's move on to video generation. You can upload any picture or just click on 2 AI video on an existing image. For the model, Kling is for vanilla videos, and Juan is your unholy playground. Leave the freedom levels somewhere in the middle. Keep the aspect ratio. 720 resolution costs 4.6 gems and 1080 costs 8.6. As for the negative prompts, write whatever you don't want to see in the final video, like bad hands, blurriness, and so on. A prompt like, "She slowly walks forward with a soft smile," will work in most cases, but you can add more detail depending on your specific scene. Just avoid any dramatic movements. We're creating a reel, not an AI movie. And there you have it. A video so realistic you have to question every pretty girl you see on the internet from now on. Here's another one where Savannah's at a party and really putting her hips to work. Next up, we need to create an Instagram account for her. Pick a username that's short and easy to remember. I'll go with SavvyBabyXO. Add a profile picture that shows her face clearly. For the bio, just keep it simple. You know, something like 23, sweet and spicy, cherry emoji, fire emoji. Can you handle the heat? Accidentally poetic, but you get the gist. Okay, so now that we've made our AI influencer and an Instagram, how do we monetize her? If you look closely, some of the biggest AI girls on the platform are on Fanvue. And Fanvue is pretty much the only reliable platform for AI influencers right now. So let's sign her up. Enter your email address and password, and click Sign Up. Click Become a Creator. And, feel free to use my referral code. Click Continue, and then choose AI content. Choose Not Safe for Work, and then select Female. Upload the same profile picture. Fill in her name and just use the same username as your Instagram. Then pick a banner image, something fun but not explicit. You can get creative with your bio and make it as detailed as you want later. I'll keep it short for now. Set your subscription pricing, then click Continue. And then lastly, you'll be asked to verify your identity to be able to cash out. There are 3 ways to earn on Fanvue. Subscriptions, which gives a subscriber monthly access to your AI influencer's content. Pay-per-view, which are individual pictures or videos you can set a custom price for. And custom tips, which is money you earn by completing special requests for paying users. So you might be wondering how to even begin building your own simp army. And the answer is fairly simple. Generate good images and post consistently. And just look at the account of these big shot AI influencers for inspiration. Some accounts only post videos, while others post more photos or a mix between the two. AI girls are booming on the platform though, so Instagram will find your audience eventually. Let the algorithm work its magic. And if you want a full walkthrough of how to market your AI influencer, let me know by dropping AI influencer in the comments. Thanks for watching, folks.